Hi guys, welcome to the Daily Entertainment Bars right here on RTGH TV. And as I always say, if today is your first time watching this channel, kindly subscribe to join the family. Okay, straight to today's Daily Bars. We have
Moesha BoduOng said, sorry. Moesha BoduOng said she has ditched her married sugar daddy right after. In fact, she ditched the married sugar daddy right after the CNN interview. Ditched the married. Operational word is married. It's always the unmarried ones. Sorry for interrupting your video. Sorry.
All right, sure. So, Ghanaian actress and socialite Moesha BoduOng, in an interview with Nana McBrown on McBrown's Kitchen, disclosed that she has actually left or ditched her married sugar daddy. So, which means that now she's not dating. Or she's not dating a married man. And we all remember Moesha was representing Ghanaian ladies when one journalist from CNN, Krista Mampo, interviewed her on how ladies survive in our part of the world. And she's made several revelations that, most Ghanaian ladies sleep with men to make ends meet and all this kind of stuff. And, Ghana didn't take it lightly with her at all.
Yes.
Most Ghanaian
ladies blasted her. Some people blasted her. Female activists. Yes, they also blasted her for saying that. How can you say Ghanaian women are poly? Do I look?
Yeah, so Ghanaian ladies really bashed them. They really went hard on her. Some people had to even call her to advise her and stuff. According to Moesha says she has repented and she really regrets her action. And she said on record that she now knows that sleeping with a married man is a sin, which means that she has departed from that act. But as to whether she's still seeing unmarried men, we can't tell. But she also said that she's dating an unmarried man or a single man now. So, which means that there's a man in her life if you care to know. All right, so as I said, people called her, and which means that she has changed her actions. And well, for now, all we can say is that Moesha has departed from her sinful ways. And because dating a married man or a sugar daddy, most sugar daddies are actually married. So dating such a person, it's not what, because some people also look up to Moesha as their role model. So this news comes as a very great news to her role model. So, viewers, this has been the Daily Entertainment Bars right here on RTGH TV. Until you come your way tomorrow.
Subscribe. Hey, more best subscribing.
I don't know. Just subscribe.
Subscribe.
All right. Bye for now.